Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to WSO Spoken, your guru channel for mastering the art of spoken English with confidence and ease. Today's episode is fire because we are talking about something every English speaker struggles with, pausing too much while speaking. Every feels stuck mid sentence, searching for the right word, and end up saying like every 2 seconds. You are not alone, but guess what? You can learn to speak smoothly and confidently without those awkward pauses, and in this episode, I'll show you exactly how. So grab your earphones, a notebook, or just your focus because your fluency breakthrough starts now. Step 1. Think in English, not your native language. This one is a game changer. If you are translating in your head, you will always pause. Try this. Start thinking in simple English phrases during your day. Instead of thinking, मुझे पानी पीना है, say to yourself, I want to drink water. Do this daily. Train your brain to live in English. Step 2. Use sentence starters and chunks. Want to sound fluent instantly? Memorize chunks like, I think that, in my opinion. To be honest, well, the thing is, these ready made phrases help you keep the conversation flowing. Less thinking, skull to less pausing. Step 3. Shadowing your best fluency friend. Shadowing is when you repeat after a native speaker immediately and with the same speed. Pick a video, podcast, or even this one. Listen, pause, and speak right after. It improves your rhythm, flow, and confidence like magic. Do this for just 10 minutes a day and you will be shocked at the results. Step 4. Record yourself daily. I know it sounds awkward, but trust me, this is one of the most powerful tools to remove pauses. When you record and listen, you catch your own weak spots. You become more aware of where you pause and why. Then you fix it. Step 5. Don't fear mistakes. Flow matters more. Here's the truth. Fluent speakers still make grammar mistakes, but what makes them sound fluent is the flow. Focus on speaking continuously, even if it's not perfect. Confidence is greater than correctness. The more you speak, the better you get, period. Let's wrap up. So, there you have it. Think in English. Use sentence chunks. Do shadowing. Record yourself. Focus on flow, not fear. If you start using even two of these techniques today, your spoken English will level up fast. And hey, if you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like, share with your fluency buddies, and hit that subscribe button on WS Spoken because we have got a lot more coming your way. This is Sumit signing off with one message. Don't pause your English, speak it into extents. Until next time, keep practicing, keep speaking, and stay fluent. Bye bye.